How to block cookies on Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here you want to scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on site settings, then click on cookies. And as you can see right here, the last option, it says block all cookies. Click on it to select it, and by doing that you have just turned off and stopped cookies in Google Chrome, but keep in mind it is not recommended as it tells you right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop and disable cookies in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.